Hello everyone, welcome to Learn and Clear Exams with me. The objective of today's video is that I am going to talk about PGCET MCA 2020 all ticket instructions as well as the seat matrix of 2020 MCA. Guys, if there is any changes in the all ticket or the seat matrix, I am going to update in our channel itself, so do subscribe it. Okay, then let's start the video, guys. Dear MCA aspirants, the video is really lengthy. Please to adjust. Guys, these are the rules and instructions of PGCET, MCA, MBA as well as MTech PG Common Entrance Test 2020. Further, in this year, if there is any changes in the instructions, I am going to update, guys. So I thought to read all the 18 points, but the video is going to be really lengthier, and then it's going to be very tough to me to record such a lengthier video. So I thought, uh, please take the screenshot of this, guys, so that it will be useful. So point number 1 to 9, take this screenshot. I hope you got. Then again from 9 to, let me wait, 9 to 18. Okay, I hope you got the screenshot. Then last, okay, take this screenshot, guys. Okay, please do read all the instructions line by line so that it will be really useful. And in last moment, like exam, it's going to be happen in the month of November itself. Before that, if you read and keep the instructions, if there is any changes in upcoming days, I'm going to inform it, guys, so don't worry. Almost 90% this rules will be there. In case if any changes, I'm going to update in our channel. Okay, then you all, I hope you got the screenshot of this. If any doubts, do put in the comment section. Okay, then let me stop this recording, and then after this I'm going to talk about. Guys, let me talk about seat matrix. Before knowing the process and details about the internal structure about seat matrix, let me tell you what is exactly seat matrix. Seat matrix is nothing but it is the total number of seats available in particular college. I hope you got my point. And then let me talk about the internal structure of seat matrix. So, and this seat matrix is for the year 2020, I mean last year. So there will be definitely changes in this seat matrix in upcoming days. Um, I'm going to even do that video also. But before that, I thought, why don't I give just a glimpse of the seat matrix and all. Okay, then. And this college number 1 to 14 is for university or government engineering college. And about this, if I want to talk, SPL stand for special, PH physically handicapped, HK means Hyderabad Karnataka, RK regional Karnataka like us. Okay, then total it is 100%. Okay, now I'm going to talk about university or government engineering colleges. So, okay, then you can just take a screenshot, or okay, then fine. I'm going to read the college name so that it will be, quite useful. Akka Mahadevi Women's University, Bijapur. Next, Bangalore University, Gnana Bharati Campus, Bangalore. Third, Constituent College of VTU, Davangere. Fourth is Department of Computer Science, Gulbarga University, Gulbarga. Guys, I'm going to read very fast. Department of MCA, Karnataka University, Dharwad. Department of PG Studies and Research in Computer Science, Bangalore. Seventh, Department of Studies in Computer Science, University of Mysore, Mysore. 8th is Maharani's Cluster University, Bangalore. And then 9th, Rani Chennamma University, Belgaum. 10th, Tumkur University, Tumkur. 11th is VTU, Belgaum. 12th is VTU Regional Office, Mysore. And then 13th, VTU CPGS and Regional Office, Kunsur Road, Kalburgi. And 14th, VTU PG Center, Vishweshwara Institute of Advanced Technology Center, Mudenahalli, Chikkaballapur. Okay. College number 1 to 14, it was like university or government college. Whichever college details you want to know in detail, you can check in Google or you can ask with your professor or etc. And then let me talk about very important, and it's going to be a quite significant too. These are the private unaided college and unaided courses in aided college. So let me just read about the college names. Okay. First, Acharya Institute of Management and Sciences, Peenya, Bangalore. Second, Administrative Management College, Bannerghatta Road, Kalkere, Bangalore. Third, AMC Engineering College. Fourth, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management. And then fifth, BLDEA's VP Dr. P. Okay, something. And then sixth is BIT, Bangalore Institute of Technology, KR Road, VV Puram. And seventh is Bapuji Institute of Engineering and Technology. Eighth is Bhimanna Kandre Institute of Technology. And then ninth BMS, Bull Temple Road, guys. And one more BMS, that is BMS Institute of Technology and Management, Avlalli. And 11th is Brindavan College, Dwaraka Nagar. And 12th is again Brindavan College, it is in Yelahanka. And then coming to 13th, Cambridge Institute of Technology, KR Puram. And then 14th, CMR Institute of Technology. And then 15th, Dayanand Sagar of Arts, Science, Commerce, etc. Kumar Swami Layout. And 16th is again Dayanand College of Engineering. It is Maleshwara Hills, Kumar Swami Layout, Bangalore 78. And then 17th, Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology, Outer Ring Road. 18th, East West College of Management. Again 19th is East West. 20th, Global Institute of Management. 21st is Jain College of Engineering, TS Nagar, Belgaum. 22, Jawaharlal Nehru National College of Engineering, Shivamogga. Sorry guys. Then 23, Jyoti Nivas College for Women's, Osur Road. 24, KLE Institute of Technology, opposite to airport. 25th, KLS Gokte Institute of Technology, Belgaum. 26, KLE Doctors Sheshagiri College of Engineering and Technology. 27, KLE Societies, Nijalingappa College, Rajaji Nagar. 28th is Kristu Jayanti College of Management and Technology, Narayanpura. And coming to 29th, Krupanidhi Group of Institution. Okay, and then 30th, MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology. 31st, Maharaja Institute of Technology, Mysore. 32, Mount Carmel College for Women's. 33, New Horizon College of Engineering. 34, Nitte Meenakshi Institute of Technology. 35 is NMAM Institute of Technology, Nitte. And 36 is PES College of Engineering, Mandya. 37 is Presidency College. 38, RV College of Engineering, Mysore Road. 39 Raja Rajeshwari College of Engineering, Ramohalli. 40th RNS Institute of Technology, Chansandra, Bangalore. And then coming to 41 Sambram Academy of Management Studies, Jyotinagar. 42 is SBRR Mahajana First Grade College. 43 is Sri Devi Institute of Technology. 44 is Siddhaganga Institute. And 1 minute, guys. Okay, fine. 45 is Sir M. Vishweshwaraya Institute of Technology. 46th Srinivas Institute of Technology. 47 St. Francis College, Kormangala, sorry. And then 48th is St. Joseph Engineering College, Bangalore. Guys, I'm having throat infection, please to adjust, sorry. 49th is St. Aloys College. 50th Surana College. 51 is T. John College. 52 is National Institute of Engineering, Mysore. And 53 is the Oxford College of Engineering. Again 54 is Oxford College of Science. And 55 is Vidya Vikas Institute of Engineering and Technology. Okay. Okay. This was like private unaided something I read, no guys. So this was the colleges about that. And let me go about third phase. And in this detail matrix, oh okay, at CAT ones. Okay, in if you wanted to know in detail, say like uh, in the above thing we saw like for special physically handicapped and for regional. In detail, if you want to see like general merit, how many students they are going to admit, or SC/ST or category 2A, 1, 2B, 3A and 3B. In detail, if you want to see this, we can check over, guys. I think I'm going to do one more video for this, suppose in case if anyone want this, or else no issues. If you want, you can put in the comment section. Let us do one more video for this, because the video is going to be very much lengthier. So that's it, guys. Let me I hope this video was helpful for you people, and thank you all. Stay home, stay safe and get vaccinated by all.